Hi guys, so this is a Sunbeam Em7000. I've been looking for some YouTube videos on how to change the steam pump. So I was having an issue where the steam wasn't pumping enough. Tried to turn it up on the settings, that didn't work. So I thought I'd make a video on how to pull apart the Em7000. So firstly, this is what I did, is it's all pulled apart at the moment, but if you lift this section up and push that bit in, that easily pops out. And then from there is numerous screws on the back of this. One, two, three, four, five. So it all then needs to come out. And then underneath, if we lift this up, there's another two screws there and there that need to come out. And then from there, all we do is you pop this back, because as you can see, those hinges there are on little nuts or bolts, screws in there. Now be careful as you lift this up, because I've taken this off. There's an earth wire connected to that there, and also there's, where did I put them? These two, the red and the black connectors on there and there. Now they're quite easily to take off. You just push a little tab in and pull them out, and then you have your lid off. So my switch was broken and I wanted to clean the valve out on the steam pump. So to get to them, they're pretty easy. I was able to repair this broken switch, but this is just pushed in with a couple of, not sure if you can see that well, a couple of clips either side, and that comes out. This metal bracket had broken off, so I was able to glue that back together. With the valve, there is a little screw that sits at the bottom there that needs to come out. At first I thought the issue was the valve, but after descaling it a few times, there was a bit of stuff come out of it. And what it did work out is that's the what do you call the steam chamber, where the water heats up, the steam goes down through here, and the actual pump is underneath the machine. Anyway, this is where I figured out where the steam pump is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget this one. So I bought a new steam pump. These are quite readily available. Many good coffee parts place. Ordered online, it's about $70 Australian dollars. looks like it has the housing and bits and pieces anyway. So what we're looking at here is that's your steam pump right there. So that's the overall view. This is what we need to get at and replace with this thing. So there's should be pretty straightforward. A few wires to get underneath. Your cable ties to cut. And hopefully we can get it all back normal. So this screw, this screw, this one, these two, and the housing should pop straight out. So yeah, after replacing the pump, everything seemed to work really well. I'm now enjoying sweet coffee. Hallelujah.